Hey, it's Andy from ColorKit, and today I want to show you the gradient maker on ColorKit. Now you can see here I'm already on the page. Of course, you can access it by going to colorkit.co, going to tools, and going to gradient maker. Now gradients are a lot of fun. It goes from one color to another. You can see here I'm on the tool already, and you can pick colors here by just clicking on the color, easily dragging, changing hues, or you can paste in a hex color here to instantly do a brand color or something like that. Now my favorite part of the tool is the random button, so this will randomize the colors, so you can go through and try to find a really good tone between two colors that you want to use in your designs. Now once you find a color that you actually like, you can hit save here and it'll save it to your ColorKit account, or you can hit export, and the export button lets you copy a URL to this gradient, save it as a PNG, share it to social, or my personal favorite, saving it as CSS. So once you have CSS, you can put it in your web designs and things like that to actually use this gradient in your websites. Additionally, you can click add here and actually add another color to the gradient. If you want to have 3 colors in your gradient, you can do it just like that. You can also scroll down here and go to gradient inspiration and actually find other gradients that users have made on ColorKit to get inspired for your own creations. Now, once you actually find a gradient you like, of course, you can just copy the 2 colors, or you can open it up by clicking the gradient itself. Here's the viewing screen. You can hit save down here by hitting like, or you can hit edit and it'll open it in the gradient maker so you can actually edit someone else's gradient. And it's as simple as that. We've just made a gradient in ColorKit's gradient maker. I hope you enjoyed this tool. I had a lot of fun making it, and enjoy.